Today we got going on the sidewalls, the wood paneling. Picked this white pallet wall style. Trying to keep everything light so it makes it feel bigger than it is. So now we're doing this side. It's not coming out too bad. Removed all the factory wiring, goes up and around and down each side, and then down there for the taillights. So I unplugged everything. I'm gonna run it underneath. I just gotta extend a couple of the wires for the taillights. I'll either screw it up here or like run it right along here over to here. So that'll all be hidden. I think it looks a lot better. Second side's in. It's starting to look like a bedroom, I'd say. Next I'm gonna work on getting these sides done and getting the front doors on this. But I'm loving it. Alright, we got underneath all cleaned out. I'm gonna work on getting these sides done. I gotta put a post here to catch the end of the plywood. And then same thing here. And then we'll do 2 pieces of plywood there, just like this said. Hoping to have this all wrapped up today. $22. Alright, we got that post in. Now I might have to make a little shim to lift this up because the plywood, this one's going to be on a hinge, so I need it up here, not down in that crevice. So I might have to make a little shim just to hold it up while I get the hinges on and everything. We'll go 25 3/4 just so we have a little wiggle room. So we're gonna go 25 3/4 by 17 1/2. Let's see if it fits. Like a glove. Got some 3.5-inch hinges. Definitely thought the black would be a nice touch. Just gonna measure those out, get them even, and screw them down. What do you think of that? So now, all the space behind there is still usable, but looks nice and clean. I got some push button latches that'll go through here, and then it'll clip to this. So it'll be a nice push button and it'll keep it nice and tight. I think that's pretty sweet though. So I have these push buttons. I gotta find the center of that. And then I have to find out how far down this is. Because the lip that it catches on is going to mount under here. So I got to find out how far down that is from the top of this, so I know where to drill my hole through. Not the easiest thing, but I think we'll figure it out. I already got that center marked. It's 12 7/8. So I just have to measure down, see where this goes. Well, that was quite a pain trying to get that hole lined up perfectly, but super happy with the finished product. So now I get this whole, I gotta do that side, but got this whole storage area, and then need to get behind here. I got all the way up in there, you know, maybe put some stuff right there. I like it. We're getting ready to do the subfloor and the vinyl floor, because I gotta trim these out obviously, but I want the floor up to the right height instead of trying to slide under the trim. So we're gonna do this floor first. Shouldn't be too bad. Should do a little piece here and a strip right there. Alright, the subfloor is down. It's a little, not perfect, but this van is the most unsquare or plumb thing I've ever had to work with. But yeah, so now I don't know if I'm gonna lay the vinyl down yet, but I'm definitely gonna pull some pieces out and see how it locks together and everything. Put this brick backsplash up, so I'll have a nice thick, like pine or something, countertop with the sink going there. I'll have the big battery underneath, all the power running to there, and I'll put a divider there so the power stuff and the water is completely separate. And just got those up. I also, before I could put this up, I wired in my USB port for a phone charger, which is pretty cool. It's coming along really well. I have the lights all wired. I tested those on that battery. Those all came on. I don't know about you guys, but I do love me some hardwood floor. God damn. Super pumped about how this is coming out. I appreciate you guys for following along, commenting. It's huge on the videos. Hitting the like button, obviously. I will catch you on the next video, and thank you for keeping up. See you next time.